Patio doors are a beautiful feature in any home. They connect indoor and outdoor spaces, bring in natural light, and create a more open, inviting atmosphere. However, if your patio doors are outdated or poorly insulated, they may be affecting your home's comfort more than you realize. For homeowners in Covington, upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors is a practical way to maintain consistent indoor temperatures and improve everyday living. Why patio doors matter for comfort? Because patio doors typically include large glass panels. They can influence how much heat enters or leaves your home. Older doors often lack proper insulation or tight seals, allowing unwanted air exchange. In Covington homes, this can lead to noticeable temperature differences near the door area. Rooms may feel warmer during sunny afternoons or cooler during seasonal shifts. Advanced glass for better temperature control. Modern energy-efficient patio doors are built with improved glass technology designed to manage heat transfer. These glass panels help reduce the amount of outdoor heat entering the home while limiting indoor air loss. For Covington homeowners, this means brighter living spaces without sacrificing temperature stability. Tighter seals reduce drafts. Air leaks are a common cause of discomfort. Even small gaps around the frame can allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. Energy-efficient patio doors in Covington homes feature improved sealing systems. When professionally installed, they create a tight barrier that reduces drafts and helps maintain consistent indoor conditions. Insulated frames for enhanced performance. The frame of a patio door plays an important role in overall efficiency. Older frames may conduct heat or lose alignment over time. Energy-efficient patio doors are designed with insulated frames that resist temperature transfer. In Covington residences, this added insulation supports year-round comfort. Maintaining comfortable living areas. Many living rooms or family rooms are built around patio doors. If those doors are inefficient, seating areas near them can become uncomfortable. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors allows Covington homeowners to fully enjoy these spaces. Furniture can be placed near the door without concerns about drafts or temperature swings. Supporting efficient indoor systems. When patio doors allow excessive heat transfer, indoor systems must work harder to compensate. Energy-efficient patio doors help Covington homeowners reduce unnecessary strain on their heating and cooling systems. Improved insulation contributes to smoother performance and more balanced indoor temperatures. Maximizing natural light without overheating. Natural light enhances mood and makes interiors feel larger and more welcoming. However, unmanaged sunlight can sometimes increase indoor warmth. Energy-efficient patio doors allow Covington residents to enjoy ample daylight while minimizing heat gain. This balance supports both comfort and visual appeal. Reducing noise and improving privacy. Well-designed patio doors also help limit outside noise. For Covington homeowners, this means a quieter indoor environment along with improved energy performance. Long-term comfort and value. Energy-efficient upgrades contribute to long-term satisfaction. Patio doors that perform well year after year help maintain indoor comfort and reduce maintenance concerns. In Covington homes, replacing outdated patio doors with energy-efficient models enhances both daily living and overall property appeal. A smart upgrade for everyday living. Comfort is about more than decor. It's about how your home feels throughout the day. For homeowners in Covington, energy-efficient patio doors provide a practical solution for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures while enjoying the beauty of natural light and outdoor views. With advanced glass, insulated frames, and tight sealing systems, these doors help create a more comfortable, inviting home environment in every season.